Wouldn't you love to see inside your grill and see how your steaks are doing? Well, now you can. Hi, my name is Jessie, and we are Evening's Delight. We are your premier destination for outdoor kitchens and fireplaces. We want to have a cohesive design with your interior and your outdoors. So we are bringing in these beautiful kitchens that have luxury elements to them. They have functional cabinetry that looks like you are cooking in your indoor kitchen, but you are enjoying the outdoors. We have been in business for over 40 years. We have showrooms in Pinecrest and Davie. We have products from all over the world, from England, we carry from Spain, we carry from Germany, as well as local. Visit our showroom and come and see what we have to offer.